A label is attached, describing the products. Let's unbox the package. Looks nice. Hope there's 3 number of creams, let's see. It's body butter. And rest pair is depigmentation cream. 2 pair of bathing bar. Next we have. Looks nice. Wow. It's shampoo. Other side, it's conditioner. There are 4 sets of each argan oil. And lavender, tea tree, and mint abstract anti-dandruff. Both of shampoo and conditioner. Now, it's 4 sets of body wash. Now moving to this packets, next we have sunscreen. Now, we have scrubber. Next we have face cleaner. Next foot cream. Next. Oh. We have a pair of sunscreen. Here we have a face mask. Finally. A body lotion.